Hello YouTube, hello guys, welcome to another video. So what we have here today is the light bar harness. As you know, the Roxor comes pre-wired for the light bar and also for the sound bar. So this is a purely plug and play system, and I'll show you what it looks like. Of course, I have my knife. I already had it open a few moments earlier. So you just have to open one side, doesn't matter which one, and then you pull out. Let's check. No paperwork. Sorry about that, guys. We got the BNSF train. That's the class 1 line that goes all the way to Seattle, Washington. Amtrak, BNSF, freight, everything goes through that line. So quite a few times a day we get to hear that horn from the train. So this is what the harness looks like. Two simple connectors, both ends. For the price, I think this is a bargain. It was just about $21. Everything is in place, everything is correct. You have these clips that will connect to the body of your vehicle, to the chassis or the cab, and they are in the correct positions. You have this that's weather sealed against the elements. So you could build this probably for a little bit less, but I mean, why spend so many hours trying to build something like this, researching, getting the right parts and everything, whereas you can just get it for 21 bucks. So for me, I thought it was a bargain. One of those things I just bought. I don't have a light bar yet, but I think you could actually use this, adapt it, and then mount some other kind of accessory on your Roxor. So light bar, just wanted you guys to take a look, see what the whole deal looks like when you buy it and it comes from Roxor. Interesting thing is, like I said, you can plug it in to the Roxor because the wiring harness already accepts this. The Roxor comes pre-wired for this, and then at the end you could use this for some other purpose. You can tap on this, get your power, switched power, which you can use for something else. And yeah, so if you're thinking about getting a wire harness for your lights, yeah, this is what it looks like. And by all means, go ahead. I think the price is very, very fair. It's more than fair. $21 for a harness. That's a good deal. All right, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.